Comfort Solutions Heating and Cooling, serving Maple Grove and all the Twin Cities communities. We welcome you to visit our showroom. We have over 18 years experience providing heating and cooling repair and installation service for our neighbors. If you just need a tune-up on your furnace or air conditioner, or a new furnace or new air conditioning installation, we can help with any of these needs. Visit us at www.comfortsolutionstc.com or call us at 763-565-2121, where we provide 24-hour emergency service.